Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about top AI business ideas for 2026. No coding required. AI is not coming in 2026. It's already here. And the people who understand this will make more money than ever before. But here's the good news. You do not need to be a programmer. You do not need technical skills, and you do not need a big budget. In this video, I'll show you the top AI business ideas for 2026 that anyone can start without coding. Make sure you watch until the end, because the final idea is the most powerful and scalable one. Let's start. AI business idea number 1. AI automation agency. Most businesses are overwhelmed. They get emails, messages, leads, bookings, and they can't keep up. This is where an AI automation agency comes in. You help businesses automate tasks like customer support chatbots, email replies, appointment booking, lead follow-ups. You use tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, or Make CRM tools. No coding required. Everything is drag and drop. You charge businesses monthly fees, and once set up, it mostly runs on autopilot. Income potential: £1,000, £10,000 a month. Startup cost: very low. This is one of the fastest growing AI businesses for 2026. AI business idea number 2. AI content creation services. Content is still king, but AI is now the engine behind it. Businesses need blog posts, social media captions, ad copy, YouTube scripts. Most business owners don't know how to use AI properly. You offer AI-powered content services using tools ChatGPT, Canva, AI image generators, AI video tools. You can work with small businesses, influencers, online stores. Charge per project or monthly retainers. Income potential: £2,000, £15,000 per month. Startup cost: almost zero. Demand for this will explode in 2026. AI business idea number 3. AI chatbot setup for businesses. Businesses want instant replies. Customers hate waiting. With AI chatbots, businesses can answer fax 24/7, capture leads automatically, book appointments. You set up chatbots for websites, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger. Tools today make this extremely easy. Once installed, businesses happily pay monthly maintenance fees. Income potential: £500, £5,000 per client. Startup cost: low. This is perfect for beginners. AI business idea number 4. Sell AI digital products. This is one of the smartest AI businesses right now. You create digital products like AI prompt packs, Notion AI templates, social media content systems, business automation checklists. You build it once and sell it forever. No customer service calls, no shipping. No overhead. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy handle everything. Income potential: £1,000, £20,000 per month. Startup cost: minimal. This is how solo creators build passive income with AI. AI business idea number 5. AI social media management. Social media is a full-time job. Most businesses don't want to do it. You offer AI-powered social media management, including content ideas, caption writing, scheduling, hashtag research. AI tools help you create weeks of content in hours. You charge monthly packages. Income potential £1,500, £8,000 per month. Startup cost very low. This business is perfect for remote work in 2026. AI business idea number 6. AI video creation business. Video dominates the internet, but creating videos takes time. With AI, you can create faceless YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, explainer videos. You use AI voiceovers, stock footage, script generators. Businesses and creators are willing to pay for this. Income potential £3,000, £20,000 per month. Startup cost low. This niche is on fire going into 2026. AI business idea number 7. Most powerful. AI education and consulting. People are confused about AI. They don't know which tools to use, how to save time, how to make money. You position yourself as a guide, not an expert. You create tutorials, workshops, online courses, one-on-one consulting. You teach people how to use AI, not how to build it. This business builds authority, trust, and longer-term income. Income potential unlimited, startup cost minimal. This is one of the biggest AI opportunities of 2026. Final thoughts. Here's the truth. AI will replace people who don't use it, but it will reward those who learn it early. You don't need to code, you don't need to be technical. You just need to start now. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe for weekly AI business ideas. Comment AI 2026 if you're serious about starting. And remember, AI is the biggest opportunity of this decade. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching.